happy. Wow. DJ Pocket 3 in the house. DJ Pocket 3 in the house. DJ Pocket 3 in the house. Guys, I'm happy. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is She Africa and Mukunda we Africa, and Mukunda means the daughter. I am the daughter of Africa. So guys, today I'm very happy. I've been waiting for so long, 1 year and some months. I've been waiting for this thing to come. I've been saving so that I can buy this. Guys, if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. If you comment, if you like my video, that means my video will be recommended by YouTube to many people. That's how I grow. That's how we grow. Please support me. So I'm so happy. Why? Because I have something, a new baby in the house. This is it, guys. This is it. I have this. I have a DJ Pocket 3 in the house. So I'm very happy. Wow. I'm very happy, guys. I'm happy. Hey, I've been waiting for so long, like 1 year. I've been waiting 1 year and some months. I've been waiting to get this baby, a DJ Pocket 3, but it's here now. I'm so happy to have this camera. I'm very happy to have DJ Pocket 3 camera. So I was just watching on YouTube. People were talking about DJ Pocket 3 and I was praying, oh Lord, I know you are God. You are the God of Abraham, Isaac and Jacob. You are God of Israel. Please allow me to have this money. Allow me to save this money. I've been saving so that I can get this camera. But I thank God that I managed to buy the camera. I've been saving for it, and God is faithful, and his word says in Psalms 34 verse 10, it says, young lions lack and suffer hunger, but those who seek you, God, shall not lack anything. God, I thank God that I've managed to save so that I can get the camera. Before I show you guys what's inside this bag, I want to thank Mrs. Kampira. I want to thank Mr. Kampira and Nyasha Kampira. Thank you guys for your love. Thank you so much for your support. And Nyasha gave me memory card for this camera. She gave me, and I thank you for your support, Nyasha. May God bless you and your family. My Kampira and Baba Kampira, thank you so much for Mr. Kampira. He did the transaction, and Mrs. Kampira carried the camera from the UK to Zimbabwe, I thank you guys. I'm so happy because my Kampira didn't charge me any cent for her to carry this camera. It was free. It was free, guys. She brought the camera. She carried the camera from the UK for free for me. You can't. It's difficult to find someone who has that heart, the heart or to support someone, the good heart to understand someone, to do a favor. It's difficult to find that person who can do a favor for you, who can offer you that kind of service. May the God of peace protect your family. So guys, I want to show you what's inside the camera bag. One of those, it's here. This thing, let me show you guys. One of those is here. This thing, do you see? You can screw this like this. This is it, guys. So this is a stand, a tripod. It's a small one. It's a DJ tripod. How happy I am today. I am a happy person, a happy woman. So as you can see, it's a battery, so you can put it back like this. So guys, I have to learn. I've been learning. I've been watching videos on YouTube about DJ Pocket 3. I've been watching and watching and watching. So it's here now. The baby is here. So this is it. That's what is inside. So guys, there's another battery here. It's a small one. So you can even screw. Let me do this. Screw like this. Here. You do this like this. It's another battery. Hey, hey. Yes. Here, put it back. And let's get the baby, the camera, from the bag. Let's get our baby from the bag. DJ Pocket 3. DJ Pocket 3. It's here. So guys, this is it. Put it back. And I have this one here. Yes. Let's see. Unpack. 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 How do we use this? We can put it here. There is a small hole, and you can put this like this. You are done. This is it. You can do this and you start to record like this, like this, like this. So I'm still learning how to use this camera, guys. I'm still learning how to use it, but I'm very happy that I have the camera now. I'm in the garden, guys, and the sprinklers are watering the garden, and I really like it. So I enjoy being in the garden. I like gardening. I like farming. So that's why I am in this garden today. And this is the status quo of our garden these days.